Hello everybody, so I'm going to show you how to attach this SPD clip to your Echelon Connect Sport bike. So this is what the pedal looks like without the SPD clip. You can order them on eBay like I did. You're going to have to take a measurement of this part and look at this number here. There's an old style and a new style, so you'll have to search this JD-004, and then you're going to have to measure this measurement to see if you have the old style or the new style. I have the old style. And then this is the toe cage. So I attached the first clip over here and it was very easy. So this is what the clip looks like. This is going to be the top. This is the bottom. These are the holes right here that you're going to be screwing in. I also had to use a small Allen wrench and a screwdriver. So these screws back here, you're going to have to remove these two screws, and then you'll be putting in a tiny little screw right here, which they come with. It actually came with 3. So let's get started. Okay, so hold this onto this nut and get this loosened. So you're going to turn it left. I got the nut right here, and then we're going to do the same on this side. Turn it left. Don't take these screws off the whole way because the toe cages will come off. Okay, so we got that. That's off. We have the clip. So these screws need to be lined up just like this. So make sure your thing is clear. Put that on. And then get that lined up and turn the screw right. Don't get it super tight yet until you get both of them in. And this is super easy the second time. So the first one might be a little bit harder. The nut does not have enough room. If you were to remove these toe cages, you could get the nut on here, but I couldn't. So with that, make sure it's nice and tight. And now we're going to add in this little screw. And that's going to go on this side right here. Make sure everything's nice and tight, and there you are, you're good to go. SPD clips on the Echelon Connect Sport.